Okay, good morning, guys. So we are back with another lunch for Brandon. This one's a new one, and today we're using the Yum Box. So what do we have today?
So did it been in a blanket?
Pigs in a blanket.
And apple. Why is there more apple? Doing it apple. My wellness baby already released the video. And the red dot and my donut.
Okay, yep. So these are pigs in a blanket. We like to call them little monster hot dogs. And we did make a little video on how to do them.
Yep.
2 simple ingredients, and these Brandon actually rolled up by himself. We baked them in the oven, so I have 4 of them. They're pretty filling, so I have 4 of them. And then we have the veggie straws, we have some apple slices, and then this is his little monster trail mix that we already have a video for, so I'll go ahead and put the link in the bottom of the description. And then the thermos of water. So a very simple meal, because these are going to be pretty filling for him to eat, and hopefully he does finish the whole thing when we get home. We'll see, right? Okay. Have a monster-ific day.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a monster-ific day.
Hey everyone, we're back from school, and Brandon's gonna show us what he finished eating. What box did we use, Brandon?
Yum box.
Yep, we used the Yum Box. Okay, go ahead, open it. So today we had mini hot dogs, and this is what he ate. He ate, really, Brandon? He ate all the hot dogs, but he only ate 1 bread. So he pushed it out and ate only the hot dogs. This is great. Looks like he had some of the apples, not all of them. He finished almost all of his veggie straws, and then he still has some of his trail mix left. So now he's finishing his veggie straws. So, Brandon, why didn't you eat the bread part? He doesn't know. Okay, so this is how it's going to be, guys. Like, you're going to go and make these lunches, and you're going to put your time into it, and then the kids are going to be all weird and eat what they want to eat, and this is what he ate. What can you do? I don't even know. But, yeah, so I have no idea if this is a success or not. You don't know? Would you want to eat this again? His mouth is full of veggie straws right now, so he can't even talk, but we will see. Oh, okay, all right, so we'll see you guys tomorrow with hopefully another lunch that maybe he will finish more of. All right, bye.